I'm Andre. That, you'll know, is the E-Flite PT-17. Winds are picking up a tiny bit, but I had to fly this bad boy. I have had this thing in my hangar for a while. Love biplanes. Absolutely love biplanes. So here we go, PT-17. Got the camera on board. Let's have some fun flying. Should be okay in the wind. So I haven't, I've switched this guy over to my Spectrum DX9, but of course, you know, the rates are backwards and the
throttle cut off. Throttle cut on.
Are on the opposite spot, but at least the rates are in the right spot. But I haven't done the low, medium, high. It's just low and high, so.
Low rate, high rate.
It's opposite of what I'm used to. That's the funniest thing about the whole Spectrum experience for me. Everything is opposite. All right. All right, let's do a flight with the PT-17. I'm in my high rates, AS3X, camera on board. It's a 3S4000. The CG should be as good as normal. All right, let's do this. Yeah, lovely, lovely airplane. I'm gonna try and fly this thing in a nice orbit so we can get it out of the sun, but I guess that's the advantage of the onboard. The high rates feel nice, actually. Again, it's not a plane that you overdrive, and lots of people do the conversion over to 4S, I've been told. I have an absolute ton of weight in the nose. There's some obscure photos when I did it, I wasn't really paying attention. But that cowl took in some screws and just made it perfect. And as you saw there, it rolled out. It feels really predictable. Obviously, it's a graceful plane. And I mean, it doesn't power through. The power isn't immediate, so you have to fly it accordingly. I gotta get myself relaxed and remember to do my coordinated turns, and the AS3X is making me look good, so that's fine. I'm happy with that. But, you know, it's just a really nice, smooth flying bird. I'm just happy to have it. Horizon, come on. We need some more, we need biplanes. There are not enough biplanes in the fleets. I gotta keep the throttle up there. But more biplanes, please. Please, 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 please. Biplanes, jets. Winds are picking up again. I'll probably try and land into the headwind this time. I've been naughty and kind of a little bit of a tailwind the last few times, so I don't like approaching from the school, but I can do it with this airplane. I can hear it. Well, you can't hear it because I've got my nice microphone on, but the winds are definitely picking up, so I'm going to practice my approach from this way. I got to be able to get it down. So, all right, we're fine. Look at that. Oh, beautiful little flyby. You can, feels a little soft on the stick. I think my 3S4000 batteries are starting to show their age, but whatever. And I probably need to, since I've done this remote, I probably need to calibrate the throttle. Well, it's got plenty of push. Again, it's just a slow, pokey airplane. It's not meant to be a super rock star flying plane, but it's there. I can hear it. I've got my timer set to a 5-minute time. I don't think I'll fly that long, but I think at the 1-minute mark, you'll start seeing me start setting up for my touch and go approaches. Oh, it's such a lovely plane to fly. Ah. Glad I decided to take this one out the last flight of the day. A little bit of coordinated turn, a little bit of rudder input, and then a nice wing dip flyby. Pilot having a good time. So is Andre. All right, we got about 90 seconds left on this clock. And since I don't know how this battery is faring, I'm gonna start my approach practices. Just flare it in, come in. All right, I'm gonna make this a landing because this is beautiful. Oh, butter! Oh, that was probably like the best, well, my only landing of the day actually on landing gear because the Dynam didn't want to do it. Oh, that was so good.
Throttle cut on.
Oh, yeah! So, I'm Andre, and of course, this is the E-Flite PT-17. Looks fantastic in that yellow paint scheme and everything, and I'm just super thrilled to have been able to get out and fly it on such a nice day. Again, I'm Andre. Thanks for watching E-Flite PT-17. Cheers.